Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? So guys, let us see how we can answer this question. The question is telling us here about two numbers. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? So the question is telling us here about two numbers which are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? So let us see. Like question is telling us here about two numbers. Two numbers are in the ratio. Two numbers are in the ratio of 5:3. Question is telling us here about two numbers who are in the ratio of 5:3. Now guys, let us see what exactly we can do. Two numbers are in the ratio of 5:3. Let us assume one number to be 5x, and the second number to be 3x. And why I am considering, or how I considered 5x here, this one they have given in the ratio of 5:3. So one number I have considered 5x and the other number as 3x, because we do not know these numbers. They are in the ratio. If we get the value of x, then only we can find out these numbers. So let us assume one number as 5x and the second number as 3x. And how I considered? Looking at the ratio that the question has given. If you get any number like this or any question like this, we can assume like this. One number is 5x and the second number is 3x. Now, the other part of the question is telling that if they differ by 18, that means the difference is 18. See, question is telling us the difference between these two numbers is 18. 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. The difference is 18. What are the numbers? Now guys, we got one equation. 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. Let us solve this equation. This is super easy. Let us solve this equation. 5x minus 3x is 2x. 2x is equal to 18. Or I can write, what I can write? 2x. Or I can write, what I can write? I can write 2x. I can write 2x divided by, I can write 2x divided by 2 is equal to 18 divided by 2. What I am doing here? Dividing both the sides. What I am doing here? Dividing both the sides by 2. Dividing both the sides by 2. And why I am dividing both the sides by 2? Why? Because I want to eliminate this 2 from x. I need to eliminate this 2 from x. If I can eliminate this 2 from x, then only I can find out the value of x. I want to take out this 2. So if I want to take out this 2, then only I need to divide with 2. If I divide 2x with 2, then only I can take out this 2. For that reason, I am dividing left hand side with 2. If I am dividing something to the left hand side of the equation, or if I am doing something to the left hand side of the equation, I should do the same thing to the right hand side of the equation. This is by rule. So for that reason, I am dividing both the sides by 2. Or I can write, what I can write? Or I can write x is equal to 9. How 9? These two, it cancels out, and 2 9s are 18. So what we got? We got x is equal to 9. Now guys, this is what we got. Now let us look above. What we considered initially? We considered one number is equal to 5x. We considered one number is equal to 5 into x and the other number as 3 into x. That means we got the value of x. We got the value of x as 9. So replacing the value of x with 9. 5 into 9 and 3 into 9. What we are getting? We are getting 5 9s are 45 and 3 9s are 27. So what we are getting when we replace the value of x? We got the first number is 45, or one number is 45 and the other number is 27. Hope guys you understood this. we got these things. So question asked us, let us look once again to the question. Question asked us, what are the numbers? So we can write our concluding answer. We can write our concluding answer saying that, hence these numbers are 45 and 27. So we can write our concluding answer saying that when we subtract, or the direct way we can write what are these numbers. The question is asking us what are these numbers. We can write, hence we got the numbers, is 45 and 27 If we subtract, or like this we can write, if we subtract, what I can write, we can write just in your own language, you can write in your own way, you can write, hence we got the numbers as 45 and 27. If we subtract 27 from 45, if we subtract 27 from 45, we will get 18. That is 45 minus 27 is equal to 18. This is what the question has given us, and we also got the answer. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.